Hi friends, today we're continuing with part 2 of our weekend getaway blast from the past from 2019. So the first part of our trip was to the Marjorie Can Rawlings State Park, so I'm going to link that up above if you haven't seen that. But our second day of the trip was to Mount Dora. So we walked around, checked things out, we took a little house tour, and we were hanging out with our friend, and it was so much fun. So we hope that you enjoy this blast from the past from 2019. Good morning. We had a busy day yesterday, and today we are now in Mount Dora. We're parking in Gilbert Park, and we're going to see the lighthouse in a minute, and later we're going to walk around, do a walking tour of some houses, and then in the afternoon do a train ride. I can't remember what it's called.
We're going to do the Royal Palms train ride, so it's Murder on the Royal Palms.
So a fun day ahead.
And we are going to walk back and take a look at a house that we passed already that
looks
like it's painted on the outside like Van Gogh's Starry Night. So looking forward to that.
Here we are at the big port of Mount Dora. Here it is. And this is Grantham Point, and the lighthouse is over to our left.
Well, I'm going to take a picture of the sign first.
Someplace special. There's a cannon.
Oh no, I missed the cannon. Oh, wow. Well, obviously if you're going to have a fort, you need some defense here.
From the other side of the lake. From Mars.
Citizens of St. Mary's and Eustace, because they invade all the time.
And I can so see why they'd want to, because it's lovely here.
It's a pretty tiny cannon. It's pretty ineffective, I think.
I wonder if it came from a page.
So there's the lighthouse. So it is a functioning lighthouse?
It is. It does work. And, well, there are lots of boats. I don't know exactly what the website said, but it works. It is functioning. It's not just decorative. And they made it out of recycled road materials. I don't know if that's pavement or what, but it's recycled materials. It's kind of fun. It's the Atlantic Coastline Depot, which was built in 1915. It was constructed at a cost of $8,223. The building served as a passenger depot until 1950 and a freight depot until 1971. In 1971, the Mount Dora Area Chamber of Commerce made the depot its permanent home, and the building is listed on the National Register of Historic Places.
So here's the back side of the station.
Dining and events or lodging?
It's looking very pretty.
Maybe that's like the whole year.
Child's house, built in 1922. Oh, it's one of Sears and Roebuck's kit houses. It's an outstanding example of the arts and crafts bungalow style of architecture, built by Charles Edgerton, owner of the Lakeside Inn, for his niece and her husband.
Bungalow means something different here than it does in England. In England,
Yeah, that's
bungalow
definitely
is
not
a single
bungalow.
story,
Odd.
like most of us live in.
Right.
The old post office is now the Segway building. So here's the side of the house that's painted like Starry, Starry Night, the side and the back. There doesn't seem to be a sidewalk for us to go around and get the front. So this may be all we get to see. But wow. This building is now the Masonic Temple?
Yes. You ready for it?
Yes.
This is the Donnelly House, built by
Entrepreneur and former mayor J.P. Donnelly as a wedding gift for his bride, Annie MacDonald Stone. It remains a superb example of steamboat Gothic Queen Anne architecture and is listed in the National Register of Historic Places.
And no surprise, it's on Donnelly Street.
This church was established in the home of Ross C. Tremaine in 1883. It's the second church in Mount Dora. This building was constructed in 1887. It's the only 19th century church in Mount Dora. This is the Patterson Haig House. This well-constructed and beautifully designed early brick duplex was built in the craftsman style. This home is an early example of a multi-family dwelling.
We got a little cottage back there.
Oh, cute. This is the Cross House, built in 1915. The earliest known owners were Nellis and Lily Cross. They were winter visitors from northeast Pennsylvania.
This is the Bernard House.
Its tiered wraparound porch is its unique feature. This was built in 1911.
We painted it blue underneath.
Oh, it's nice. I like it.
It's pretty.
One of Mount Dora's oldest houses, this well-preserved frame two-story home was occupied in 1913 by the Nutter family for about 20 years and more recently housed a real estate office. It is a typical example of the frame vernacular style of architecture. It's built in 1910. Here we are at Tavares Grand Union Station. Oh, I think it's raining. We are going on the Royal Palms Mystery. So we are here to see a murder mystery, the Royal Palms Railway Experience. As you can see, it's going to be interesting. Stay tuned, yes. So we think it's going to be fun. It looks promising. Look at the drink trays. That's clever. Well, we made it in our seats. Here is the ticket. Just wanted to show you what the ticket looked like, and we got sodas or water, and they also have wine and beer. But I got ginger ale. People are still boarding, still finding their seats, but we are moving. And we're very excited. The music is great. We're hearing 20s music. We had a great time. It was fun, but we couldn't film it. They said no recording or cameras, so we're doing a quick recap after it's over. So what did you think?
I wouldn't go again.
It was okay. It was fun, but
It was different. Glad we did it. Wouldn't do it again.
But yeah, it wasn't my favorite play.
Kind of silly.
Yeah, but they also have a pizza train and barbecue and brunch and dinner and all sorts of other things to do on the train. So definitely check it out at thefloridatrain.com, I think.
It's the Royal Palm.
Yeah. Overall, we had a really fun day in Mount Dora. We looked around some of these shops as well, besides going to the train ride and taking the walking tour of the houses. So we definitely recommend coming. It's full of cute shops and awesome places, so visit Mount Dora. It was so much fun.